Hello, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Sanjay Chabda, Professor, Faculty of Law and Governance, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. My this session is related to BBA LLB second semester, subject Business Organization, Unit 1, Session 4. Name of the session is Profit Maximization versus Social Responsibility of a Business. My dear students, as we know that the main aim of business is to earn profit. How to maximize profit? That is what everyday experiments of a business. But in spite of that objective of profit maximization, even the business has a very important role to play as social responsibility. In social responsibility, we can say that business is a social institution. Business comes from the society, business gives to the society. So, most specifically, the following arguments are put forth in favor of this statement that this business is a social institution. Number one, birth of business for social needs. The birth of business took place due to the needs of the members of society and the increase in the needs. The scope of business went on increasing. So, business, we can say the birth of business is for social needs and their increasing demand. Second is satisfies social wants and needs. Business exists because it satisfies the wants and needs of the society. Third one, social exchange system. Business rests on socially desirable exchange system. Business process helps exchange socially desirable goods and services. Hence, illegal exchange of goods and services is not part of a social system. Number 4, conduct of business by social persons. A business is a social institution because the business is conducted with the help of social persons. Of course, business may be organized in the forms of artificial person, that is company, but the business is operated and conducted by the natural and social persons. Number 5, based on social values. Business is based on and guided by social values. Business persons are also required to run the business on moral, cultural and religious ethics and values. Number 6, dependent on resources of society. Business institutions are dependent upon resources of society. Land, labor, capital and machines, techniques, managers, all are provided by the different segments of the society. Number 7, aims to serve interest of different social segments. Business institutions aim at the well-being of all the sections of the society. It aims to serve and balance the interest of customers, employees, investors, suppliers and government, etc. Number 8, society is the market for business. It is very rightly said that nothing happens in the economy until somebody sells something. In the absence of society, business cannot sell its goods and services. Business is dependent upon the members of society to sell its products. Number 9, solve social problems. Business helps in solving many social problems: unemployment, poverty, hunger, disease, ignorance, prostitution, etc. are the basic problems of society. Besides, this business provides employment opportunities, necessities of life including food, clothing, medicines, books, informations, etc. for solution of these problems. Number 10, that is why business is social institution. Number 10 point is an instrument of social change. Management guru Peter Drucker has observed that business is an instrument of social change. Business helps change the society for its betterment. Business can help change old and outdated traditions, customs or usage, value and norms and replace them with a new and viable set of values, norms and usage of customs. Last but not the least, that is number 11, a barometer of social progress. It is rightly said that the business is a barometer of social progress and prosperity. Society is regarded as a developed and prosperous one in which business institution develops and thrive. Where business institutions develop and thrive, employment opportunities are ample. Per capita income, rate of savings and capital formation is high. Consequently, people are more wealthy and their standard and quality of the life is bound to be high. This is why we used to say that business is a social institution. Now, what is the importance of business? What is the importance of business or role of business in the society? So, importance of business in the society we are explaining in following subheads. Say number 1, proper utilization of society's resources. Business plays a crucial role in the efficient and proper utilization of society's resources in the best interests of the members of the society. Business, though its varied activities utilizes the human, physical, financial, technological and informational resources for the well-being and welfare of the society. It uses these resources through the best application of technology, managerial skills and knowledge. Again, second importance of business to the society is integrates interest of different sections of society. Business as an organization that serves and integrates the interest of all the sections of the society. It serves the interests of investors, lenders, customers, employees, local community, suppliers, government and so on. Third importance, produces and distributes goods and services. This is what we know, that business plays a very important role in the production and distribution of goods and services. Next, it improves the standard of living and quality of life. Business helps improve the standard of living and quality of life of all the members of the society by supplying variety of new and better products. Modern business aim to enrich quality of life of society through upgradation of the standard of living of the members of the society. Business is very important role to improve the life standard, the living standard of human being. Profit maximization as well as wealth maximization and above all the value maximization, we can say, plays a very important role in the societal development. Number 5, it generates employment opportunities. Business needs a large number of personnel to carry on its industrial, commercial and trading activities, and henceforth the business requires large number of workers to work to achieve their objectives of business, and in that way business generates employment opportunities. It gives employment opportunities to a large section of the society. It also needs services of many professionals and other service providers such as bankers, insurers, transporters, internet, courier, etc. Thus, business provides employment opportunities directly or indirectly. Then, number 6, business provides career opportunities too. Business does not only generate employment opportunities but it also provides better career opportunities for the public. Business needs many experienced and talented persons for the top and middle level management positions. So even professionals like MBA, CA, CS, many legal advisors, they are required, they are absorbed by the business, and as it's rightly said that business provides career opportunities. Number 7, it provides avenues for savings and investment. Business has opened a large number of avenues for savings and investments for the public. Traditionally, banks have been instrumental for developing saving habits among the members of public, but in the past 4 decades, a large number of companies, mutual funds, financial institutions, insurance companies, stock exchange, commodity exchange, etc. have come up, and these companies issues shares, debentures, commercial papers, and invites deposits from public for making funds. So members of public may subscribe for the shares or debentures or place deposits with them and can earn handsome returns. So business provides avenues for savings and investment. Then it promotes social change. Business is considered to be the instrument of change in society. Business can bring social change and cause social innovation. It helps to develop a new value system and culture in the society. Business serves society by promoting social upliftment. Developing societies face many problems. These include the problem of poverty, starvation, unemployment, injustice towards minority groups, women, or economically weaker sections, etc. Business, through its activities, helps eradicate these problems and thus promotes social upliftment. Last but not the least, business as a social responsibility, it benefits all sections of public. Modern business is realizing its responsibilities towards all the sections of society public. Business nowadays is proactively thinking and working for protecting the interest of investors, customers, employees, suppliers, local community, governments, and so on. All the sections of public society are being directly or indirectly benefited by their business activities. Schools, colleges, hospitals, center for mentally retarded and physically handicapped persons, development and maintenance of gardens and parks, vocational training programs, old age home etc. are sponsored and supported by many business organizations for the welfare of the public. My dear students, as you know that nowadays even many big business houses, they used to perform social responsibility functions, that is SR, social responsibility activities. Many big corporate houses, they are running their hospitals, charitable institutions, schools, colleges, parks, so many activities they are playing towards the welfare of the society. Nowadays, business is not only limited up to profit maximization objective, but the main objective, every business, they have their social responsibility too. They are getting their resources from the society and return what they are giving to the society. That also nowadays business has to prepare their social responsibility balance sheet. That is what they are taking from the society, what they are giving back to the society. So in conclusion, we can say that business has not only profit maximization objective, but it has a very important role towards the social responsibility. From this lesson, you please read, please prepare question that explain profit maximization versus social responsibilities of the business in detail, or explain the social responsibility of business. This is overall what I want to say in this session. Thank you.